In this video, I'm going to show you a Fieldwire tutorial, a powerful construction management tool. Whether you are a project manager, contractor, or part of the on-site team, Fieldwire helps you streamline communication, track tasks, and ensure your construction project stays on schedule. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up and use Fieldwire to manage projects efficiently. So first, what is Fieldwire? Fieldwire is a construction management platform designed to help teams collaborate on the go. It allows real-time task tracking, blueprint management, and project reporting, making it easier to manage construction projects of all sizes. From small renovations to large commercial projects, Fieldwire ensures that everyone from the office to the job site is on the same page. So this software is ideal for general contractors, architects, subcontractors, and project managers by providing them with the tools needed to improve communication and organization on site. So it works on both desktop and mobile devices, so you can access your plans and tasks wherever you are. So now let's move on to Fieldwire's dashboard. So when you're new to Fieldwire, you will see something that looks like this. So this is how your dashboard will look like. So you'll see all of your projects right here in the main page. So as you can see, I don't have any project created yet, but we have the Fieldwire sample project right here, which I'm going to show you later. So now let's move to the People tab. So from here, you will see all of the people who can have access to your project. So you can add new users, so you can invite them to your account or invite to a specific project. So let's say you want to invite users to a project. From here, just simply select the project you created and enter the user's email address. You can also import contacts by clicking right here and connect your Google account. Next is account. From here, you will see all of your account details, your plan details, and your API settings. Next is templates. So from here to access account templates, you'll need to upgrade your account. So I can show you that right now. So now let's go back to our projects. So if you want to create your first project, just simply click here on New Project, enter your project name. So I'm just going to add test. Let's say the project code is 1014. And as you can see, you can start with a blank project or clone existing project. So if you don't have any existing project, just simply select the blank project and click Create. So now from here, you can now upload your plans. So for best quality, upload your plans as PDF. So we support multi-page PDFs and will automatically name and hyperlink them. So if you already have your blueprints or your floor plans with you, you can simply select those files and upload it right here. So as of now, we don't have that. Next. So from here, we can create our categories. So as you can see, tasks are organized by categories, usually named after the trades or companies present on site. So for example, we can add the category as concrete or carpentry. So let's just say concrete. Click on add. Now next. From here, we can invite our team. So just add in their email addresses and they will be notified via email. Now let's click on next. Now we can also download the app if we want. So now all of this in this dashboard is blank. So I'm just going to move you through the sample project. So as you can see, first is plans. So as you can see, we have the sample plans right here. Let's say this building one floor plan. This is how it looks like. So if you already have your floor plan, you can simply upload it right here and it will automatically be here in the plan section. You can also add new plan right here. You can add new folder to organize your floor plans or your plans. Next is tasks. As you can see, this is what the tasks look like. So we have these cards right here. Let's say this install conduit for EF4 fan. This is in priority 1. So when you click on it, you will see the how the task looks like. You can also see the status right here, the category, and who is assigned to this task. So you can see in priority 2, this is tape and finish GYP board. This is how the task will look like. There's the messages, the checklist, and of course you can move these cards by simply dragging and dropping them. So let's say priority 1 is already completed, you can add it to completed. And now when your team leader or your admin or whatever verify that you have completed this task, we can now move it here in verified. So this is how the tasks look like. Next is photos. So in photos, you will see all of the photos you have uploaded in Fieldwire. So this will organize all of your photos in one place. Next is forms. So I can't show you forms right now because you need an upgraded subscription for this. And files. From here in files, you'll see all of the files that you have uploaded. So as you can see, we have these folders right here. This is sample folders. And we will see sample project CSV report, sample project detailed report, and PDF files. So you'll see all of your files right there. So again, you will also see the starred files. So if you have favorite files, you can see them here in the favorites. So we also have these icons right here in the bottom. First is the project users. So you'll see all of your team members right here. So you can see their access, their phone number, their company. So let's say you want to change this person's access. You can set them to admin. Also set them to follower. And you can also filter users. So if you are searching for a team member, because you have a bunch of different team members, you can simply search them here or filter them right here. Next is our settings. So this is the project information. You will see the project name, address, project code, the time zone, the measurement and currency, the tasks, reports, list, tags, and project actions. From here in the trash icon, you will see all of your trash. So let's say you have deleted photos and plans, you will see it right here in the trash. So that's basically all of the features of Fieldwire. So I hope you like this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.